Welcome back to Savvypreneurship, the go-to channel for ambitious minds ready to turn dreams into thriving ventures. Are you an inventor sitting on a groundbreaking idea but unsure how to bring it to market? Well, your timing is ideal. In this episode, I dive into the step-by-step process of preparing your invention for a successful launch. From developing a minimum viable product to securing intellectual property rights and even lessons from famous inventors. I've got you covered. So let's jump right in. Every successful invention starts with an idea, but before you invest significant time and money, you need to prove that your idea works. This is where a proof of concept comes in. A proof of concept demonstrates that your invention is feasible and addresses a real world problem. Take James Dyson, for example. Before launching the Dyson vacuum cleaner, he built over 5,000 prototypes to ensure his cyclone technology was effective. Start small and test on a basic level. This will help you refine your concept and gain confidence in your invention's potential. Once your proof of concept is solid, it's time to develop a minimum viable product or MVP. An MVP is a simplified version of your invention that includes only the most essential features. The goal? To test your product with real users and gather feedback without spending a fortune on full-scale production. Take Aaron Wan, the founder of Zoom. His initial version of Zoom wasn't the polished platform that we use today. It was a bare bones video conferencing tool focused on usability and reliability. By testing his MVP with early adopters, he built a foundation for one of the most successful software platforms in the world. For your invention, focus on delivering value while leaving room for improvement. This approach not only saves you money, but also helps you avoid wasting resources on features users might not need. One of the most critical steps in preparing to bring your invention to market is protecting your intellectual property. Without it, your invention could be copied or stolen. Patents are a way to protect your invention. A utility patent, for example, covers functional aspects of your product, while a design patent protects its appearance. Filing for a patent can be complex, so consider hiring a patent attorney to guide you through the process. A famous example is Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs, who secured a patent for the original Apple computer. This protection gave Apple the legal foundation to dominate the personal computer market. In addition to patents, think about trademarks for your brand name and copyright for any creative elements tied to your invention. With your MVP and IP in place, the next step is to craft a go-to-market strategy. This plan outlines how you'll introduce your invention to the world. Ask yourself, who is your target market? What's your pricing strategy? And which distribution channels will you use? For example, Sarah Blakely, the inventor of Spanx, started small by targeting women in need of shapewear. She personally pitched her product to department stores, leveraging word of mouth marketing and small scale campaigns. Her hyper focused strategy eventually turned Spanx into a $1 billion brand. Whether it's online marketplaces, direct to consumer sales, or retail partnerships, choose a distribution method which aligns with your audience and budget. Launching an invention doesn't end with putting it on the shelves. It's just the beginning. Testing your product in the market allows you to gather valuable feedback and make improvements. Remember the story of Ring Video Doorbell? Founder Jamie Siminoff first introduced it as a Wi-Fi enabled doorbell originally called Doorbot. While it had potential, early users identified several flaws. Instead of giving up, Siminoff listened to the feedback, improved the product, and rebranded as Ring. Fast forward to today, and Ring is a household name, eventually acquired by Amazon for over $1 billion. As your invention gains traction, focus on building a strong brand. A recognizable brand creates trust and loyalty among customers. Invest in professional design, a compelling story, and marketing campaigns that highlight the value of your invention. Elon Musk's Tesla is an excellent example. Tesla's branding is synonymous with innovation, sustainability, and cutting edge technology, making it a leader in the electric vehicle market. Bringing an invention to market isn't easy, but the rewards can be life changing. Start small, protect your ideas, and don't be afraid to pivot based on feedback. The most successful inventors, whether it's Dyson, Blakely, or Siminoff, all share a common trait: perseverance. Your invention has the potential to change the world. So take the first step and don't let fear hold you back. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and share it. What invention are you working on? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. Until the next episode, keep innovating and stay savvy.